is Arjun and welcome back to another amazing recipe. This Valentine's Day, let's celebrate our love for our favorite pizza toppings with these cute mini heart-shaped pizzas. So before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel. Let's go! To make heart-shaped pizzas, we need flour, salt, sugar, yeast, milk, cheese, pizza pasta sauce, olive oil, and toppings of your choice. Here I have taken corn, olives, pineapple, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, capsicum and onion. To make the dough, we'll take a food processor and into it I'll add an all-purpose flour. Instant dry yeast, a little bit of castor sugar and a pinch of salt, and we'll give it a mix. And now we'll add in the milk. Now that the dough has come together, I'll knead it with my hands. Now I'll add in olive oil and I'll fold it together nicely. After kneading for 10 minutes, my dough looks beautiful. I'll grease this bowl and I'll place my dough in it. And I'll cover it with cling film. I'll let my dough sit in a warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. While our dough is rising, let's prepare our toppings. Corn, into this I'll add in water and I'll boil it. Onion, capsicum, cherry tomatoes, pineapple, mushrooms and olives. It's been 2 hours and our dough has doubled in size. We'll take it out on our board and we'll roll it. And now we're gonna cut our rolled dough into heart-shaped pieces. Now onto each heart I'll spread pizza pasta sauce. Now onto the sauce goes cheese. Now onto this we'll add on the toppings. I'm adding different toppings on different hearts. Now I pop it in the oven at 220 degrees for approximately 8 minutes. Hear that? It's done! Ta-da! This Valentine's Day, pamper your loved ones with these beautiful heart-shaped pizzas. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you!